Learn more on BBC Bitesize.
I'll find my lost phone tomorrow. They'll come back from the festival in the morning. Whatever your plans, to express future intentions, we need the immediate future and future tenses. Let's start with the immediate future, which is used to say something is going to happen in English. So, for example, I'm going to make a cake. I'm going to need eggs and sugar. Well, the recipe for the immediate future is the present form of ir, to go, plus a, plus the verb in its infinitive form. For example, voy a hacer una tarta. I'm going to make a cake. Right, let's break the sentence into pieces. Voy is the I form of ir, to go, in the present tense, followed by a, followed by the verb hacer in the infinitive. Another way we talk about the future in English is to say something will happen. We call this simply the future tense. And there's good news! All verbs in the future tense, AR, ER, and IR, have the same endings in Spanish. For example, comer, comeré, comerás, comerá, comeremos, comeréis, comerán. As you can see, these endings are added to the infinitive of the verb without removing the AR, ER, or IR. Comeremos tarta en mi cumpleaños. We'll eat cake on my birthday. Viviremos en la luna en el futuro. We'll live on the moon in the future. Watch out, some verbs are irregular. For example, tener, to have, has an irregular stem. However, the endings are exactly the same as for regular verbs. Tendré, tendrás, tendrá, and so on. Other verbs with irregular stems include decir, to say, hacer, to do or to make, poner, to put, and salir, to go out or leave. What's that? You will study the future tense later? Okay, well hopefully this has been a good start.
For in-depth GCSE resources and practice, visit BBC Bitesize now.